This is the simplest way of creating a drop down so that you get to select something from a list instead of typing. Highlight the cell where you want to create the drop down for, but for me, I want the whole of this column, so each and every cell, so I highlight everything there. Then I click on data, then click on data validation, select the first choice there, then click on this drop down, then go all the way to lists. You can choose whatever works for your drop down. Then click here on the source, then go to the source of your data. I have all the countries which I want to be in the drop downs here. They are tucked away. Then I click on OK, and now I have the drop downs. So I can just click and select the country that I want from the whole of the list which I selected. So if I type a country that is not in our data validation lists, I'll get an error. So I'll have to go select the country from the list, or if I want to type, I'll have to type exactly what is in the drop down menu.